Hi friends, I hope everyone is doing fine. So I have to come live again today. Yes. जो भी मतलब anything, whatever I say, whatever I write, जो भी मैं बोलूँ, you all want to criticize only. Anything, जो भी मैं बोलूँ, you all want to criticize. You all want to take in a wrong way. You all want to point only wrong to me. Why? What is there? What problem do you all have with me? Yeah, if you don't like me, just block me. No need to watch me, no need to see me, no need to follow me. Why you all are following me? Why you all are sending me friend requests or watching at me over and over again? No need to watch at me, no need to see anything whatever I'm writing. Just block me. Every day something or something you will write which is very embarrassing. शर्म की बात है, शर्म. Every day. So I thought today, like, because of that, I will write for everyone one status. And it's not mentioning anybody out there. It's not mentioning anybody's name. Neither I'm saying villagers to anyone. I am also from village. I'm born and brought up in village. Everybody lives in a village. I'm not saying to anybody. I'm saying out there, आप लोग का सोच को बदलो. दूसरों की लाइफ में हमेशा झांको मत. Because I married a black man, तुम लोग मुझे बुरा ही बोलते हैं because he's a black. Is he not a human being? Because he's black, so he's not human anymore or what? Because he's a black man, he is bad. Because he's black man, you all will say to me bad things. You all will say to my child bad things. Why? My child is not a human? Because she is a black, you all will say my child is ugly. You all are commenting my child is ugly without seeing her face also. आप लोग मेरा बच्चा का मुंह ही नहीं देखा, आप लोग मेरा बच्चा को क्रिटिसाइज अभी से कर रहा है. That she's black, she's ugly like father. Nonsense. एक गाली मैंने क्या दे दी अनसिविलाइज्ड बोल के, मेरे ऊपर तो आप लोग पॉइंट ही करना शुरू कर दिया, घटिया बात बोलना शुरू कर दिया. मैं जो भी बोलूँ मतलब मैं ख़राब हूँ, जो भी मैं कहूँ मैं ख़राब हूँ. आप लोग तो बहुत अच्छे इंसान हो ना, तो दूसरों की लाइफ को झाँक के इतना ख़राब बात कहाँ से, मतलब कैसे बोलते हैं आप लोग? इतना अच्छा इंसान हो तो आप लोग तो बहुत अच्छे हो ना, तो अपने लाइफ पे रहो ना. मुझे कुछ मत बोलो, मेरे हस्बैंड को कुछ मत बोलो, मेरे बच्चे को कुछ मत बोलो. एवरी डे what not comments I'm getting to see, like it's very third class. Whatever you all are saying, it's very sad, it's very shameful. Hatred words I used to get to say every day. Every morning I used to wake up. Every morning हर सुबह को मैं उठती हूँ. Every time I used to see something negativity, but still I used to like close my eyes. I used to smile and I used to think that yes, I have to make my day good. But still I have a child. I used to work every day taking care of her. Sometimes even I used to get angry by seeing all those things. क्या यार, आप लोग इतना अच्छा इंसान हैं तो एक इंसान को रेस्पेक्ट करना सीखो. He is black, so it's just his skin color. Because I married a black man, इतना आप लोग क्रिटिसाइज कर करके अभी तक, मतलब you all are not tired? You all are not tired? For how many days you all will keep on saying rubbish things about me and my family? For how many days? I don't know. You're harassing. You're a racist, you know. मैंने क्या एक गाली दे दी, सब तो भड़क नहीं लगे? आप लोग तो हजारों लोग मुझे गालियां देते रहते हो हमेशा. शर्म नहीं आता है? इतना सारा इंसान एक फैमिली को गाली देता रहता है। शर्म नहीं आता है? कुछ तो शर्म करो। तुम लोग हो हजार और मैं अकेले और मेरा फैमिली, और आप लोग मुझे गाली देते रहते हो। वाओ मैन, you all are being racist. I hope my voice will go everywhere, because out here every day I'm getting problem. My family, my child, we are getting, I don't know, every day they're saying something hatred words to me, to my family, to my husband. Every day they're saying, pointing at me. I don't know, later on if my child will grow, I don't know what will happen. They will start bullying my child, I think so, at schools. I'm scared only, because I'm getting to see so many things right now, even outside world, like black men are getting killed without any reason. I hope this will not happen to me and my family. My own people, oh my God. It's very shameful, man. Some of them. You all think you all are very good people, na? Thank you. I don't have to speak so much. I don't have to make you all understand so much, because you all will never understand only. Because in your brain, you all have hatred. You just want to criticize. I don't care. I don't care. Criticize me every time. Bye.